Bring all your StackAdapt campaign data into one place with AgencyAnalytics. Make it easier to track performance and give your clients a clear, professional view of the results they care about most. First, select your client. Then, in the left-hand navigation bar, choose StackAdapt. Right away, access an overview of campaign performance, including impressions, clicks, conversions, costs, and return on ad spend. Metrics that prove ROI to your clients in seconds. Adjust the date range in the top right corner anytime you want to zoom in on a specific period. Dig deeper into video analytics with key engagement insights, like watch time, cost per completed view, and completion rate, so clients see exactly how audiences are interacting with their content. Hover over the Insights button on any widget to unlock deeper highlights, or use Ask AI to instantly generate recommendations. For example, ask which campaign is underperforming and get the actionable answers that help you optimize before your clients even ask. Need to show the full picture? Combine StackAdapt data with 80+ other integrations, like Google Ads, Facebook, or LinkedIn, to create holistic dashboards and reports that connect every channel in one place. Easily drag, drop, and customize widgets, or start with pre-made templates designed for agencies. Finally, add StackAdapt to your scheduled reports so clients get the updates they need automatically, keeping them confident in your work while you stay focused on scaling their campaigns. And just like that, you've transformed StackAdapt data into insights your clients will actually love. Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.